Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA Forex, and this is our Gbpjpy analysis for the day. First of all, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So Gbpjpy, as you can clearly see, price went all the way to our supply zone, then it has driven all back to our demand zone. So the first thing is that yesterday we had news, we had Trump's speech, and he was starting a trade war, or let's say he was imposing tariffs on every good imported into the US. So that has caused the market to sell from this area all the way to this particular area. And don't forget that the DXY is on a bearish trend because of that particular news. You know that when they are imposing tariffs, right, it will cause the country's currency to become weaker initially, even though the long-term plan is to make the dollar strong, because it's going to really help home products to be sold more than exported products, if you know what I mean. So this is what I did today on the Gbpjpy. As you can clearly see, I'm on the buy trade. I'm buying because of this bullish order block. When price dipped into the order block, I saw an opportunity, so I took a buy trade on Gbpjpy. But this is a long-term perspective, and this is my CP1 over here. CP2 can be over here like this, and CP3 like this. Then TP4 is the main area over here. So I'm still seeing that the price will really dip into this area very well. I want to see how this 1 hour candle closes for me to have, confidence in my trade, because I need to have confirmation in the 1 hour time frame before holding my trade long term. But this is it here. I have marked my zone by just two areas. We have a buying zone over here, and we have a sell zone over here. This is what happened last week. That's on March 27th. You can see that when price got here, it sold all the way to this particular area, and from here it bought all the way to this particular area. So you can see that news caused the market to tap into the main sell zone or the main supply zone. Then it sold all the way back to this particular area, which is our main buying zone. Keep your charts very simple: one buying zone, one selling zone, and that's all you need to become profitable in forex trading. So you can clearly see that market has been on a bullish trend for Gbpjpy ever since we had this double top in the 1 hour time frame. It has been on a bullish trend, but it has gone to an area where I'm likely going to see a bearish trend very soon. But let me just see how this 1 hour candle closes, and let me see how the overall 4 hour candle closes before I can be able to hold this trade long term. In the 4 hour time frame, you clearly see that Gbpjpy has been on a bullish trend, and for those who have been watching my videos, you clearly see that I've mapped out this area as my main buying area and my main take profit. And you price, even though price hit our SL, but we still went all the way back to take profit, if you know what I mean. And ever since then, we have been on a bullish trend. I'm seeing that this is likely going to be an area of consolidation. As you can see, that price has tapped this area 3 times over here, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times here, then over here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and I'll say 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is actually a consolidation area, and we really want to see how this 4 hour candle will close, if it will close bullish or bearish, for us to know if we're going to hold our trades long term or not. But I'm likely seeing that this 4 hour candle will close I would say bearish. I'm not yet sure, but let's see how it goes, because the news is really impacting the market, and I'm seeing that it's actually going to cause this Gbpjpy to sell until NFP tomorrow. So long term, we want to see how this 4 hour candle closes. If it closes bearish, I'll keep like this, keep my eye on this zone. But if it closes bullish, then I can now hope that market can keep going to the upside, if you know what I mean. So market is trading between these two areas like that, these two zones, and that's how we're going to be making profits from this particular market, by just dabbling between these two zones, keeping this area here as our main buying zone, and this area up here as our main sell zone, if you know what I mean. So with that said, what do you think about this particular video? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to use our recommended broker. The link is in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.